DeFi, one of the latest buzzwords in crypto, which simply stands for decentralized finance, is rocking it with huge profit for investors, but unfortunately lack a critical component. This component, there was no safety net for lender until B-protocol appeared to salvage this mess. In this video, you will discover the following. What is B-protocol? What a user-based backstop pool is. You will discover how to improve the liquidation mechanics versus the current liquidation system in DeFi. How backstoppers, that is users who deposit into backstop pool, benefit from it. And finally, you will see how lending platform benefit from B-protocol. So let's get started. What is B-protocol? B stands for backstop. So we are called Backstop Protocol. By the way, backstop means something that prevents a backward experience. So B-protocol brought a safety security layer to lenders so that they can invest more with peace of mind, as they know that there is a dedicated liquidity for liquidation. B-protocol makes everyone feel safe on DeFi investment. Is B-protocol work to democratize liquidation systems? Ensure best backstop liquidity protocol, which helps to unlock better capital efficiency. Does individual benefit from B-protocol? Yes, indeed they do. What a user-based backstop pool is. Let's take a look at that. A user backstop pool is a pool which anybody can make investment into to gain reward from liquidation. If you are looking to benefit, then B-protocol backstop pool is for you. Users benefit whenever there is liquidation. Want to know how B-protocol is improving the DeFi landscape? How does B-protocol improve the liquidity mechanics versus the current liquidation systems in DeFi? Let us see how B-protocol improve liquidity mechanics, and also check out the current liquidity systems in DeFi. First, let's look at the key problems bedeviling DeFi. One, what is called minor extracted value. Minor extracted value benefit from gas fees heavily. Number two is that barrier entry into DeFi is high, as is reserved for high-tech guys to this lucrative DeFi business. Lending platform lack capital efficiency, which results in low leverage. How is B-protocol solving this problem? One, with dedicated backstop pool of B-protocol, gas war is completely eliminated, which makes MEV rich. No gas war are needed to handle liquidation. That is a very big plus to DeFi space. Number two, remember the user-based pool. That pool handles the liquidation issues, which is opening liquidation business for more people to profit from it. Number three, with backstop pool, this add safety component to lending platform, which in turn increase their collateral factor to 20x leverages. Now, let's see how backstoppers will benefit from B-protocol backstop pool. How backstoppers, aka users who deposit into backstop pool, benefit from it. Number one, user benefit from auto-compounding profit that optimize their LQTY reward, since only LUSD will accrue LQTY and not ETH. Two, it saves user the effort of manually doing auto compounding. Three, users save gas for transaction and increase their profit. What of lending platforms? How do they benefit from B-protocol? One, provides a stronger safety net to DeFi lending platform, ensuring a constant coverage. After liquidation happens, an automatic rebalance process begins, which convert the seized collateral from liquidation back to original asset. Number 2, it allows lending platform to scale in a secure, democratic, and sustainable way. Number 3, it uses the Backstop Pool fund for liquidation, so there is always fund to handle liquidation. As you can see from here, there are more to what individual lending platforms. Everybody can benefit from B-protocol. You are encouraged to visit www.bprotocol.org, or you can check out their Twitter handle at B-protocol. That is B-protocol ETH. B-protocol ETH for more information. I want to thank you for checking out this video and trust that you have been able to discover what B-protocol does, how it helps DeFi platforms to be more secure, how it helps individuals to get more, profit more by auto compounding. These are something that you need to check out for yourself and benefit huge from what B-protocol is. There are a lot of DeFi projects that are currently on queue to check out what these guys are doing. So I invite you to go over to Bprotocol.org to go and check them out. Thank you very much for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye from here.